Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Android faster, okay? Now there's two things you could do. Is actually your Android actually to look faster, or start to become or get faster, or look faster. Now I'm going to show you both ways right today. So first of all, how you can make your Android faster is basically simple procedures. If you go on to settings, okay, and from settings you go on to battery and device care, and you go on to storage. You need to make sure you always not using way too much applications. You clear the trash file. As you can see, I have 2 gigabytes of trash. Need to delete them as soon as possible. You'll go on apps, and you'd see what apps you really don't use that much, and you would just delete them. Same thing goes for documents and videos, especially videos, because since the Android phone, if you have a higher camera quality phone, you're going to find videos taking so much storage. So make sure you delete the videos that you don't want, or back up the videos and then delete them from the device. Okay, so once you delete it, now you can go on to optimize now, which is the in-device care that you can do, which optimizes your phone. Do not download anything from outside, from Google Play Store or something, because they're just really clickbaits. Okay, so once you've done this, okay, now I'm going to show how you can make your Android look faster. So you're going to scroll down all the way to something called About Phone. Now from About Phone, we're going to click on the software information, and from the software information, you're going to click on the build number a bunch of different times until it tells you you're 5 steps away from developer mode, you're 4 steps, 3 steps, 2 steps, 1 steps, and then you're going to click on, and it's going to tell you put your pin for you to become a developer. So once you become a developer, to enable developer options, if you scroll down all the way, you find an option called developer options. If you click on it, I want you to scroll down. Do not mess with any of these options, because it could really break your phone. Just do what I'm saying. Scroll down until you find you move out of network input until something called drawing, and window animation scale, make sure it's 0.5, and transition scale is 0.5, and animation duration scale is 0.5. Basically what these two is that once you increase the value of it, you're going to find the animation taking much more longer. Okay, so let's say if I make every single one of them 5. Okay, as you can see, it takes much more longer for the animation. So if you make it back to 5, okay, 0.5, you're going to find now that the animations are much more faster, much more smoother. You can turn them off, but I would not recommend you to do it because it doesn't look good. So 0.5 is the best way, or actually 1. Some people have it on 1.5. I like leaving it on 1 for everything. But if you find like 1x really is not, you're not feeling that it is as fast, then you could just bump it down. So this is basically how you can make your Android look faster. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also